Now, this coming in from the state of Karnataka, the Karnataka government has now announced that the live virtual classes cannot be held for the students of kindergarten and also the primary classes till class 5. Pre-recorded classes, however, will continue for the students of class 1st to class 5. Now, with this, the state government now has also halted the fee for the online teaching for these classes. A committee, however, will be formed to discuss how to engage the students and also work out the modalities at this point of online and pre-recorded classes. This decision was taken after meeting between the government officials, educationalists and also psychiatrists.
Karnataka government has decided to ban online classes from LKG till 5th standard. I have with me right now the Education Minister, Mr. Suresh Kumar. So first of all, how did the government arrive on this decision to cancel the classes till the 5th standard?
It has become a burning issue in the state because very young children are given this online teaching even for that LKG, lower KG, UKG, nursery students. It's almost inhuman. They are the age of playing games. So that is why we had called a meeting of experts from various fields, education experts and NIMANS, early childhood association, etc. After seeking their opinion, we have taken a decision to stop this online teaching for the LKG, UKG and primary classes for the present, and we have formed a committee to come out to prepare a guideline in this regard, stating that what amount of screen time is suitable to which class and from what standard the online teaching can start. So they will come out with a report.
Let me bring in my colleague Neha Hebale, who's joining me live with further updates on this. Neha, earlier we did see that the parents had raised a lot of reservations regarding online classes. Now, what is the big rationale behind the state government right now banning the online classes? Only pre-recorded classes will now be functional.
Well, Apurva, remember that this decision comes after the government consulted parents, students, psychiatrists, mental, wellness experts, and also, of course, the school managements. Now, as far as what we're given to understand over here is that, yes, while the online live virtual classes have been cancelled for classes LKG to the 5th standard, you still have the recorded or the classes that will continue, because remember, that's the only current alternative that the government has at this point in time, because parents over here in Karnataka are too wary to send their children to school. And on the other hand, when you have the online classes being conducted, there's an issue with that as well, owing to the screen time, the exposure to these mobile devices, to the laptops as well. So now that leaves the government with just one option of allowing the pre-recorded classes to actually take place, given the fact that the students can, utilize these classes at their convenience. Now, in the likelihood that, of course, there are some pre-recorded classes now that schools are mandated to actually, put out for the students, then the students can take this at their own pace, that they're not compelled to sit in front of a screen or a monitor for, 3 hours or 4 hours a day when the live classes are going on. So this is one, of course, very key decision that was taken by the government of Karnataka yesterday, even as several other states are still continuing to hold online classes for students. The government of Karnataka has decided to do away with it till class 5. Now, Purva, class 6 onwards, where the students will be compelled to, have these online classes as no other alternative right now. For those students also, a special committee has been formed comprising of educationalists. You also have, of course, some parents. Apart from that, you also have mental health experts on this committee, and they will now submit recommendations. And based on these recommendations of how much screen time is advisable for students, every day. And based on this, now what we're going to be seeing is the committee will submit a report in about 10 days, will submit their recommendations, following which a decision will be taken for online classes from 6 to 12.